and welcome to another video. It feels like just yesterday we released our last release highlights video, but it is that time of year again. The Spring 20 release will start rolling out to orgs soon, and we just wanted to give you a quick highlight of some of our favourite features. To kick things off, we are going to have a look at a navigation change. If you remember, previously, when you wanted to use the app launcher, you would click on the telephone dialing pad and it was not always as responsive as desired. Salesforce have given us a great enhancement here by updating the navigation so that the app launcher is now a drop-down that you can easily and quickly use to switch between apps. If you are a big fan of the previous app launcher, it can still be accessed by clicking View All at the bottom of the drop-down. One feature that I'm sure many are grateful for is that you can now assign tasks to queues. It may not sound like much, but trust me, it is. This feature will be hugely beneficial for both manual and automated task assignment. Once assigned, your teams can then sort by priority, due date, or whatever works best and take the tasks in the correct order. This is just another way Salesforce are making it easier to use tasks as a core feature of your workflow. Spring 2020 brings quite a few changes for email sending within Salesforce. You will now be able to schedule your emails and even save them as drafts. This means that not only can you make sure your email is sent out at the exact moment you want, but also that you can revisit them before they have been sent to check that they cover everything you would like. Finally, on a few standard objects like opportunities for example, you now have the option to clone with related. This means when you clone the opportunity, it asks you if you want to clone things like the contact roles and products too. For campaigns, the campaign record and its member statuses are cloned to the newly created record. This means you don't have to re-input that data each time a customer comes back for the same order or a very similar one. Imagine how happy your sales reps will be at renewal time. This should cut down on data entry time and data entry errors. If you want a more in-depth look at some of the new features being released, then be sure to check out our blog or contact us for more information through our website. See you next time.